Hello coffeeholics, welcome to our instant coffee series. Once again, I am going to show you 3 delicious recipes using instant coffee. This time it is one that is trending at the moment, from Korea to Bangkok to Philippines and to the world. So here we are going to make cream cheese latte using instant coffee. So who says you cannot make cream cheese latte using instant coffee? And I am going to show you 3 different sizes, 12, 16 and 22 ounces. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For my cream cheese foam, I am going to use powdered cream cheese, and for my latte, I am going to use creamer. I'm going to use my milk syrup, and here I am using 1:1, one part condensed milk and 1 part evaporated milk, so it is less sweet because we are going to add cream cheese, which could be sweeter already, and I'm using instant coffee. So really only these 4 ingredients with water, and we have our cream cheese latte. We are going to start by making our cream cheese foam. So this, I am going to use cold water. Make sure you use very cold water. If you'd like it to be premium, then you can change from cold water to cold milk. The proportion according to the packaging is 40 ml of water to 30 grams of powder. So what I did is I multiplied it by 3. I want to make 3 portions, so I have here 90 grams of cream cheese powder, and because it is 3 portions, I'm going to use 120 milliliters of my water, cold water, and that's 60 more, so that is 120 milliliters of cold water, and then I'm going to put 90 grams of my cream cheese powder. And all you have to do here is to use an electric milk frother to make sure you get that foam. So what you're looking for is a texture that is silky, smooth, and not too thick. We just want it to be also pourable because we are going to pour it on top of our drinks. Just with the milk frother, make sure that everything is well combined. Now let's just have a look at the texture. So this is the texture that I'm looking for. You don't want it to be too thick that you will need a piping bag to pour the cream cheese foam onto your drinks. When you put this in the refrigerator, it will be thicker. So this is good enough for me. And so what I'm going to do is keep this in the refrigerator for a bit for when we use it, okay? Now you can make a large batch of this and then refrigerate it, and you can use it the whole day up to 3 days. Now that we have our cream cheese foam ready and waiting, let's prepare our drinks. I'm going to start with my 12 ounces cup. I am going to get the recipe for my latte using instant coffee from my book, The Basic Barista. Oops. And if you haven't yet got a copy of this book, do check out the description box below for details on how to order. Let's start with the 12 ounces. For 12 ounces, I need 1.5 teaspoon of my instant coffee, and I need hot water, 3 ounces, or 90 ml of hot water. And we also need the same amount of creamer, so also 1.5 teaspoon of creamer. So put all the dry ingredients first, so give it a good stir and make sure that the coffee and the creamer are fully dissolved. Add 1 ounce of milk syrup, and this is our latte for 12 ounces. I'm going to put this aside for now. We're going to assemble it at the same time, okay? So that's the 12 ounces. Now let's make our 16 ounces. For 16 ounces, what we need, 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 1, 2, and I am going to add 2 teaspoons of creamer, 1, 2, and then I need 4 ounces or 120 milliliters of hot water. There you go. And then once again, stir to combine. Make sure the coffee and the creamer are fully dissolved. Finally, add 1.5 ounce of milk syrup. If you don't know yet how to make the milk syrup, do check out the link above. Okay, so this is now for my 16 ounces. Finally, for our 22 ounces, I am going to need this time 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. That's 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of instant coffee, and always an equal amount of creamer. So 1, 2, 3, and to this I am going to add 5 ounces or 150 milliliters of hot water. Now in my recipe I have sugar added to this, but because we are using cream cheese on top, it might be too sweet, so I'm skipping the sugar. If you'd like to add the sugar, by all means go ahead and add your sugar. But these days, less sweet, better. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined, and then we are going to finish this off with 2 ounces of milk syrup. And finally, to finish our drink, this is the 12 ounces. For our 16 ounces. And finally, 22 ounces. And finish it off with cream cheese. So what I made was for 3 cups proportion, and it is exactly good for 3 cups. Okay, let me just make sure I got them all. Don't want to waste this lovely cream cheese. Well, there you go, very easy to make, and this could be your next bestseller. Cream cheese latte using instant coffee. Now I'm going to just try one of them, not all of them. They will be very, very similar taste. Look at that beautiful thick cream cheese on top. This should be enough to satisfy every cravings for cream cheese and also latte. I don't think I can get to the coffee. The taste of that cream cheese is not too bad at all. This is using powdered cream cheese. Well, powdered cream cheese, you have to be very careful. You have to select a good one. Some of them have a really synthetic taste, but I would say this is not so bad at all. I must say I'm liking it. I really couldn't get to the coffee here. Maybe I'll get a straw. Okay, take 2. I'm going to go deeper to try the coffee. Not bad. It is strong coffee. I'm just going to go up a little bit so I get the coffee and the cream cheese at the same time. That is a very good combination. I must say something different, something new. So you can use instant coffee to make cream cheese latte. Normally you wouldn't use a straw, because if you put this in a plastic cup, all you have to do is to sip it, and if it's covered, then you can just tilt it one side. But now there's no cover here. I'm just going to spill it all over me. So I think the straw is a good idea. I like it. Well, there you go. Give these recipes a try. If you are into instant coffee and you'd like to also offer this in your home-based cafe or pop-up cafe or mobile cafe, you can give these recipes a try and also start offering them in your cafe. These are trending drinks, popular in Korea, so you might as well give these a shot. If you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know. I also have another video tutorial on how to make cream cheese latte using espresso shots and also using my own homemade cream cheese. So don't forget to check that out at the end of this video clip. That's all I would like to share with you today. I hope this is useful, and I'll see you again next time. In the meantime, stay safe, Take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.